what's up everyone? It's How To Videos back with another informative C43 install video. So this one is for a K&N drop-in filter. It's going to be for C43, C450, or C400. They all share the same platform. Stay tuned and post any comments, questions, likes. Please shoot them my way. Happy to answer them. Thanks for viewing my video. Peace out, guys.
Now put these screws in a nice safe place. You don't want to be like me and probably lose one of these, because I do idiotic things like such. I'd say for now this is a good spot for them. Be careful. Don't be like me. Again. Screws are tricky. I think they're out and they keep going. Alright, so take your stock filter out. It's pretty clean. Put one of these K&N Performance ones in. Part number is 335032, in case you are wondering. Let's do it. Come pre-oiled. No, if I add any power, but it's always nice to have a bit more turbo whistle, a bit more rumble. Rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Put it in. Top back on. And get it sealed. Alright, quick little bit of improvising here. Got a pack of these at Home Depot, stainless sheet metal, self-tapping sheet metal screw kit. What size are these? 10 by 10 by 1, that's probably it. So number 10 by 10 by 1, a quick little comparison, said, threads are pretty similar, same size, let's give it a whirl. You know what? It worked just fine, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'm just wrapping up this side. Trying not to lose anymore. I've already lost 2. Kudos to me for being a shitty installer. You see here, they screw in very nicely. In case you're in a jam, don't panic. They have these stupid Torx German screws. I get it. They're nice and all. But they're not practical. Especially if you lose them. Freaking A, where am I going to get one from? I don't know. I have no fear. How To Videos is here. Look at that. Booyah. Let's put this sucker back on. Very easy. It's on, not going anywhere. Take this off, put the hood, you'll be on your way.